The Nokia drone phone 2026 is imagined as one of the most futuristic smartphone concepts ever created, combining flagship mobile technology with an integrated flying drone camera system designed for next-level photography and content creation. According to concept leaks and online renders, the device could feature a premium 6.9-inch QHD plus AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, delivering ultra-smooth visuals and immersive viewing for gaming and media. The standout feature would be a detachable mini drone camera capable of capturing aerial photos and cinematic videos from the sky, turning the phone into a portable filmmaking device. Reports also suggest the concept may include a powerful Snapdragon flagship processor, up to 16 gigabytes RAM, massive internal storage, and advanced AI-assisted flight controls for stable autonomous drone movement. Battery life is expected to be huge, potentially around 8,000 milliamp hours or more, to support both smartphone and drone operations throughout the day. While the Nokia drone phone 2026 remains an unconfirmed concept with no official announcement from Nokia, it continues to gain attention online because of its bold mix of futuristic design, aerial imaging technology, and next-generation mobile innovation.